Your restaurant can be packed tonight and still need cash tomorrow for payroll, inventory, repairs, or unexpected expenses.
Food orders, liquor inventory, equipment failures, taxes, and slow weeks rarely wait until your cash flow catches up.
Cash on demand can give you working capital to handle today's needs without putting tomorrow's opportunities on hold.
POS Lead Pros offers a more restaurant-focused approach than generic, one-size-fits-all funding programs with a streamlined path from application.
The process is designed to stay straightforward, using business verification and essential documents instead of burying owners in unnecessary complexity. POS Lead Pros helps you understand the opportunity, prepare what's needed, and move toward funding with less friction.
POS Lead Pros offers a more restaurant-focused approach than generic, one-size-fits-all funding programs with a streamlined path from application forward. Give your business more financial flexibility. Click the link or scan the QR code and connect with POS Lead Pros today.
Watch the revenue reach up to touch the sky now.